the class is analog Butterworth filter. In this class we will be determining the order of the low pass Butterworth filter. Okay, let us start the problem. The given question is determine the order of the low pass Butterworth filter that has 3 dB attenuation at 500 Hz and an attenuation of 40 dB at 1000 Hz. Okay, so what is the frequency, starting frequency here? 500 Hz and other one is 1000 Hz. Okay, so from the given question we have to understand, to find the order of the filter we have to know 4 parameters. What are those 4 parameters? We have to know what is alpha p, alpha s, ohm p and ohm s. Okay, so P means pass band, S means stop band. So what is the starting frequency? 500 Hz. So definitely it will be Fp. So it is given in Hertz, we have to convert into radians per second. So the formula of ohm P is 2 pi Fp. Fp is how much? 500 Hz. Ohm S is 2 pi Fs. Fs is how much? 1000 Hz. So from the question it is now very clear. What is alpha p? 3 dB, Fp is 500 Hz, attenuation alpha s is 40 dB and Fs is 1000 Hz. We got this 4 parameters, 4 specifications from the questions, from the question. Okay, from the given question we have understood these 4 parameters: pass band attenuation, stop band attenuation, pass band frequency in Hertz, stop band frequency in Hertz. We have to convert these 2 frequencies in radians per second. So we have to use the formula ohm p is equal to 2 pi Fp. So we will getting as ohm p as 1000 pi and ohm s is 2000 pi radians per second. Okay, now writing the order of the filter of a Butterworth filter, what is the equation? N should be N is greater than or equal to log of 10 to the power of 0.1 alpha s minus 1 by 10 to the power of 0.1 alpha p minus 1 by log of ohm s by ohm p. This is a root over. Okay, so on substituting here, what is alpha s value now? 40 dB. Substitute it here 40. Alpha p is 3 dB. So on substituting alpha p as 3 and ohm s is 2000 pi, ohm s is 2000 pi and ohm p is 1000 pi. Okay, so what is the equation? Log of 0.1 alpha s. What is alpha p coming to be as? Alpha p is 3 and ohm p is 1000 pi in radians per second and alpha s is how much? 40 dB. And ohm s is coming to be as 2000 pi radians per second. And we have substituted alpha s, alpha p, ohm s, ohm p. Log of root over 10 to the power of 0.1 into 40 minus 1 by 10 to the power of 0.1 multiplied by 3 minus 1 by log of 2000 pi by log of pi. On solving this equation, we are getting n value is 6.6. So what we have to do? We have to round it off to the next higher integer. So n will become 7. So what is the order of the Butterworth filter now? 7. Order of analog Butterworth filter. I hope you have understood. What is the formula to be used? N is equal to log of root over 10 to the power of 0.1 alpha s minus 1 by 10 to the power of 0.1 alpha p minus 1 by log of ohm s by ohm p. By using this formula, you will be getting the order equation. Substitute alpha s, alpha p, ohm s, ohm p from the given question. Simplify and you will be getting n is equal to 7. Thank you. I hope the solution is clear. If you have any queries, post in the comment section. Good luck, students.